Hi guys, my name is Miriam. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be doing today I'll be recreating Zora Greenleaf hairstyle from the latest episode Greenleaf. The minute I saw her hair, I said to myself, I need to try this look. This is so bomb and it's so easy. I recently did a braid out on my hair, so this is day 5. So if you haven't seen my braid out tutorial, please go check that out. I will leave a card at the top right hand corner so you can just click the card and check out that video. When I seen Zora hair, I got inspired to do this look, and it's so simple. All you have to do is have 2 hair ties. The edge control tamer that I use today, I picked it up from my local beauty supply store. The one I shop at is in Montgomery, Alabama. The one off Atlanta Highway by Burlington. And all you have to do is go in there and ask for touchdown edge tamer. This edge tamer is so good. Like, every time I put it on my edges, it slick down really good. I don't have to, and it lasts up to 36 hours. But right now, I'm just fluffing out my hair in the back to make it big, so it won't look too packed down. Because like I said, this is day 5, so it's getting all shrunken back up. And I'm going to wash my hair soon, so I just wanted to make my braid out last a little longer. Okay guys, this is the final look. A space bun, half up, half down. You can recreate this look with any old braid out or twist out you did for the week for an easy hairstyle for the day. Thank you guys for watching my channel, Miriam's Way, and please like, comment, subscribe, and please let me know if you like this type of content from me to see more videos to come. Okay, bye.